Having high contrast in your fabric is great for designs, meaning if you have a bright white and a very dark black or dark color fabric, you want that on your quilt top. What you don't want is that on the back of your quilt top, because if you have miscellaneous threads, so for example, all of these little black threads here, they could potentially show through the white fabric when it gets sandwiched and quilted. So one thing that I don't want to have Penny have to do is deal with a bunch of threads that might be on the back of the fabric because she needs to worry about getting it pretty with the quilting. So I want to make sure that I'm cleaning up all my seams before I send the assembled quilt top to her. So if I have a block like this where one of my seams just happen to fray a lot, I'm going to come in here with my little snips and I'm going to make sure that all of these little threads are trimmed away. Sometimes if you have just one or two, you might get away with just being able to pull it all the way down. But if you have too many and you just start pulling, you're going to make that seam allowance smaller and smaller and smaller because you're literally getting rid of that fabric. So just come in here with your snips, clean it up a little bit, use a lint roller if you have to, but make sure that all of your seams are nice looking on the back so that your top can look just as good when it's done quilted.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but Emily here, and I want to tell you about a super cool offer that I have for you from Craftsy. If you don't know what Craftsy is, it is an online community with resource of millions of creative and like-minded makers where members can find endless inspiration, advance the skills you already have, or discover a new favorite hobby or craft that you've always wanted to try. Craftsy offers more than 2,000 exciting classes in over 20 popular categories, everything from sewing and crochet to baking and painting. The classes are broken down into easy to follow lessons and are led by friendly, award-winning instructors like me who share creativity, wisdom, and provide step-by-step tutorials. I loved Ashley Hough's sewing class on how to sew super cute skirts. I'm not much of a garment sewer myself, but she had so many approachable tips and tricks on how to make this pattern so easy with her instruction. And I also loved Brenda K.B. Anderson's crochet class on how to crochet rainbow home decor because let's be honest, who doesn't love a giant rainbow pillow? She also had some amazing tips on how to turn your work when making curves in crochet. I got so inspired by Heather Thomas's class on creative finishing and edging for her quilt, and she reminded me just how awesome and fun it can be to embellish the finished edges of your quilt. She also taught me a new method for how to make the corners of my quilts even more precise. And a huge thank you to Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. The cool thing is though, as a Craftsy member, you will also have access to live stream tutorials where experts answer questions, share tips, and engage with the Craftsy community in real time, which I absolutely love. So the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the video description will get a full year of premium membership for Craftsy for only $1.49. So click the link below and let's get creative together.